We're too zoomed in, you know? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a slightly different type of haul for you. So a lot of you have been saying to me that I do hauls from the same places all the time, which is completely correct. I love Topshop, I love Urban Outfitters, I love ASOS, and I generally think of ASOS as being quite a bit of everything because I buy things from different brands on ASOS. But I thought I'd actually break some of those brands that I really like buying on ASOS down and buy from their actual online source. So brands like Pretty Little Thing, Mango, can't remember where else, but yeah. So this is the first to arrive is from Pretty Little Thing. I did an order on Monday night, late Monday night. The stuff has just arrived today. Very, very happy. So yeah, I've ordered a few different bits of different types of clothing, so we will see how they do. I've never ordered from Pretty Little Thing before ever, so I'm really interested to see what the things are actually like that I have ordered IRL. Okay, so the first thing I ordered was the hoodie. Shock horror. I love hoodies. And I really liked the colour of this one, so I wanted to see what it was actually like in real life. IRL. I think I got a medium in this because I wanted something that almost comes down to my knees. I don't know if it will fit like that. I've got fluff on my face. Oh, this is the problem with like dewy foundations. Fluff just sticks to you. I bought this, I'm hoping it's like really, really oversized and I can kind of just wear it with like little shorts underneath and then like trainers when I'm just like running out. I just love hoodies so much, so I just wanted to pick that one up, see what it's like, see what their hoodies are like, because they're not very expensive. From the feel of it, it's not like, I don't know, from the feel of it, it's not, it doesn't feel to be bad quality, but it's not like the softest hoodie ever. I'm gonna put that out there. Kind of feels a bit like school jumper material, but it was very, very affordable, and I love the colour. I do think that they do some amazing coloured hoodies. If you just want a plain hoodie and you want something that is slightly different in colour to what you can get on like Topshop and stuff like that, I definitely think they're a good option to consider. So just for an idea of sizing, I think I said I got this in a medium. Did I get a medium? I'll confirm in the info box down below. But yeah, so this is the kind of like sizing of it. It's very, very oversized, but I really like it. I've been wearing it so much around the house in the evening, either just with shorts or just on its own, and I love the colour of it. So this lovely sandy stone colour. I love it. It's such a nice alternative to white. It definitely needs a wash already, but yeah, just so you know, in terms of like the length and the size, this is kind of what you'd be looking at. Obviously if you were taller, it would probably be a bit more like up here, but on me it's basically a dress. Nothing else to report with it, have no issues with it, absolutely love it. Lots of you kind of spotted it on my Insta stories over the weekend and you've all been asking where it is from. So clearly I'm not the only one that loves this hoodie, but it is so nice and big and snuggly, and it's just so affordable for what it is. I'm so happy. So yeah, this is probably maybe my favourite thing from this haul. There's a contender, but this is probably one of my favourites. What have I bought? You know when you do a late night order and you're like, this could be questionable. Okay, I brought a puffer jacket because I just never really have like super warm jackets to wear in the winter when I just want to like be cozy, or when I'm like running to the gym and stuff. I have a bomber jacket which is like appropriate. Otherwise I feel a bit weird in my gym stuff with like a proper coat over the top. That's just so weird. Why is that like that? It's like this weird, I'm guessing this is like don't remove, but like so weird, so long. Yeah, this is cute. Okay, I'm looking forward to trying that on. The material of it feels really nice as well. It's almost like kind of like corduroy, but a really fine kind of feel of it. I like that a lot. Oh, I'm really excited to try that on. So this is the puffer jacket. I really like this, aside from the fact that these collar bits, my neck is not long enough for this, and I just feel very claustrophobic in it. They just come up a bit too high, and I just want them away from my face. I'm just the biggest claustrophobe. I really don't like anything that comes up too high, like high neck jumpers, anything like that. But apart from that, I really like the fit of it. I like the fact that it is more cropped, so it still feels, even though it's huge, it's like really, really puffy, it still feels nice and flattering. I also love the material because it's like a very fine like cord material. It just feels really, really nice and soft. I do like it. I just don't know how I'm going to deal with this, but I think for when I go to the gym, this would be like when in the winter, when you do want like a proper coat, this would be a really great one to kind of like throw on as I'm getting in and out of the car. So I might keep it because I think that these wouldn't bother me too much. But yeah, this is the kind of cut and length that you would be looking at if you were gonna buy this. Anything that looks good with my leggings and trainers I will just love. This is the thing with going to the gym every day now. I do feel like I spend most of my time in my kind of like active wear. And it's kind of annoying because I'd love for all of my like Insta stories and everything and like all my vlogs to see me wearing really pretty clothes, but for most of the time I do, like I will go to meetings in London now in my kind of like gym stuff, like obviously like casual meetings, not ones where I need to be dressed up. When I have meetings that are more informal, I will wear my gym stuff so I can go to the gym when I get off the train home. I literally spend the majority of my life in leggings and a hoodie, so such a fashion blogger. Okay, ow! My pointy nails are really doing a number on me at the moment. I get caught on everything. Oh my god, I totally forgot about this. Lois! So I bought you a present when I did this order. Do you want to? I want to get your reaction. Okay. This is Lois, by the way. She works for me. Oh god. You're gonna. I thought for a second I was like, oh, she's gonna hate me for this. Happy birthday. It's not nowhere near your birthday. Yay! Pretty Little Thing had some great stuff. I literally looked at them and I was like, she's gonna love those. Oh, I love them. Thank you very much. You're welcome. I got myself a grey pair. I love them. I cannot wait to wear these. They reminded me of the Kardashians episode where Kim gets the dog and the dog's just like eating her. Oh my god. And do you know what? I totally forgot, but you know we were having that conversation about how we don't like to take the bins out because we never have anything on our feet. Now we can always take the bins out. That's what these are for. Yeah. Oh, I love it. Thank you. I'm going to put them on right now. They're so cute. I love them. Thanks. Bye. Putting these on right now. Oh my god, I love them. They're great. Oh, yes. Yes. Amazing. Okay. Next. So I bought a pair of actual shoes, which I am very excited to try on. I really love sock boots. Really, really love them. And these are like this gorgeous burgundy colour. Oh. They're gorgeous. They've got like a zip down the front, so they should be really easy to get on. I cannot wait to try these on. I think with like a tan kind of like mini skirt and like a big oversized cream jumper, these would look so gorgeous, and then they're going to look really nice with just like skinny jeans as well. Even if you have like a baggy and mom jean, I think boots like this work really, really beautifully. So I'm really happy with those. They look so much nicer in real life than I was expecting. I feel like they were called like a lycra sock boot or something like that. The word lycra was used and I was a bit like but actually they look really, really lovely. Very, very happy with those. Yeah, comfort wise, not sure how these will do. I will let you know. Okay, then we have more stuff that I can wear with leggings. So this is a really cute little white cropped sweatshirt. It's actually really light, is the first thing that I've noticed about it. It's fleecy on the inside though, so that feels really nice. Hopefully it won't get fluff everywhere. I will let you know. I got it in a small because I wanted it to be cropped, but if you didn't want it to be so cropped, you could just size up. Got it in a small, which is, according to the label, a UK 8. So we'll see how that fits. Well, the one thing is it looks like it could be a little bit see-through, so I will wear something black underneath so we can see if we need to wear white bras with it at all times. It's a fun fact for you. These cutaways are obviously not filmed on the same day because my hair is different and my makeup is different, but this jumper has actually been put through the wash already because I love it that much. I've worn it so much. I wear it quite often to the gym. It's actually, for the weather right now, it's exactly what I need for getting to and from the gym. It's like that thing that I throw over because I don't really want to wear a jacket right now. So I really like it for that. I think the cut on me is just exactly where I want it to be. I think it's really, really flattering. Obviously it is white, which is like the least practical colour in the world. So yeah, there's that. But I really, really love it. I like the cut of it a lot. The fleece material on the inside of the sweatshirt doesn't kind of like cling to you and just kind of make you look like you have a light layer of white fuzz all over you, which is great. I'm actually really happy with this. You're probably going to see me wearing this a lot. You will get sick of it very, very quickly, I'm guessing. But yeah, really, really happy with this. What is this? What did I buy? Okay. Okay, so I also picked up this little white crop top. I have quite a few of these. I'm actually wearing like a black one underneath this jumper right now. This one is a slightly more like stretchy fabric, so I maybe should have sized size down. Did I size down? No. So maybe should have sized this down than this. This could be a little bit baggy. Hopefully it won't be. But yeah, I thought these would be really cute for like after I'm done at the gym, just to layer under things like if I'm wearing a blazer and jeans and I want like a nice little white top underneath. I thought that would be really, really good. So this is the white top. It fits really well, like the cut is really, really nice. I think this would be a really great top for either like gym wear or just lounging around the house, or as like a basic piece underneath like cardigans, blazers, that kind of thing during the winter, but it would also obviously work really nicely in the summer with a little pair of shorts. Really nice, easy, versatile piece. It is a white crop top, so there isn't really much else I can say other than that, but I will be keeping it. I really like it. Thumbs up. Then we have this little crop, kind of like sleeveless top. I love this. I have something a little bit similar from Zara, but it's tight. And this one, basically, apart from the neck, it's got a high neckline. It's not tight, it kind of like flows loose, and it's got an open side, which I really like. I like open sides a lot because I have tattoos on my side, so it means that you can see them, and I just think that that's like a nice detail. So I thought this would be really nice for either wearing with like leggings or tracky bottoms on a casual basis, but also I thought this would work really nicely on a night out with like some jeans or a skirt or something like that. I just think it's a really nice basic piece. I think Pretty Little Thing are actually really good for really affordable essential basics in a really good range of colours. That was the main thing that I took away from their website, and I would absolutely order again just for like little kind of like bandeau tops and things like that, and they do them in like really nice nude neutral colours, which is definitely my colour palette. I would say that I usually wear like white, nude, some kind of neutral, even if it's like a khaki, something like that, or black. Okay, so the black high neck top I actually got in a 10, and I feel like I could have done with an 8 because there is just a lot of excess material, especially due to the fact that the bit around the side here is quite like loose. I don't know, I just feel like this side bit either needed to be more closed together, or there just needs to be a little bit less material here. It's just not sitting quite how I'd like it to. Yeah, there's like about that much too much, if that makes sense. So there's probably about 1.5 inches too much on each side for what I actually need. So it's really cute and I like it a lot, but I just think that I could probably get a better fit. Although I have to say I really do like this top because the neck on it, I love a high neck, but it's so hard when you, especially when you've got your hair like this, or you've done your hair at all and you don't want to mess it up, to get like a high neck top on, because they're too tight around my big old head. So this one actually has a really stretchy neckline, which I really like. So would recommend in terms of high neck stretchiness. Speaking of neutrals, that was a nice segue. Didn't plan that. So I picked up this body, and I just think it is so cute. It's a one shoulder, really nice kind of like warm brown colour, and I just thought this would add a really nice little extra detail to an outfit if I've just got like a blazer and then some black trousers. Sometimes I don't want to add something white to an all black outfit because then it just looks too like monochrome, too black and white. So adding a neutral in there is really, really nice. Okay, so this top is my other favourite piece from the haul. I love the colour of it. It fits so nicely. It looks really good with my white jeans, which I'm really happy about, because white jeans are sometimes those items that you buy and you're like, what do I wear with white jeans? Like, what looks good? And I do find that kind of taupey brown colours like neutrals work so well. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with that. I did wear this outfit the other night. I will pop a photo on screen now, and I just wore it with my YSL trainers. They're like a sandy beige kind of colour, so it was all like very neutral, really nice, and yeah, I really, really love that outfit. So yeah, this is probably my favourite thing from this haul. I love it. Yes. And then I picked up this little neutral kind of nude coloured top. This is actually the nude coloured version of the black top that I have and I love. So I'm hoping that I didn't need an 8 because I think I ordered 10s in this. So it might be a little bit baggy, but we shall see. But yeah, I just love the neutral colours of these. I think they're going to really, I think you'll see that, I think as long as they fit, you'll see me wearing them a lot over and over again, because I do think that they will just work so easily into my wardrobe. Okay guys, so this is the little taupey brown crop top. I already own one of these, but in a slightly more cropped form. I have it in black. You will have seen it many times. So I kind of knew what to expect with this top, and they are a little bit like flimsier. They're not as structured as one of the other crop tops in this haul. I often find that this kind of twists over a little bit. It's quite common for that to happen with it. But I love the colour range in these tops. I want to buy them all basically. But yeah, it's a really nice, easy, versatile top in a colour that you don't really get your hands on very often. Like the likes of Topshop and ASOS just don't really do colours like this, and I think that they're really nice and flattering. I love a neutral, as I've probably said about 50 times during this video. Again, a really nice, easy, versatile piece, great for layering. Love it. This one's just a little bit thinner than some of the others though. And then finally I picked up a dress. I wanted to test out the dresses. Lots of the dresses weren't really to my style. There were a lot of little black dresses that I think are really nice for kind of like nights out, and you can kind of layer things over the top, and I think they're really, really good. Mama, do you want to sit? So I think even if Pretty Little Thing wasn't your... She just will not stop. She just will not stop moving. I'm just going to carry on. So even if Pretty Little Thing isn't your kind of brand and your kind of vibe, I do think that in terms of little black dresses, they're something that everyone could get on board with. But I decided to try out this shirt dress. I can't remember if I got it in petite, but generally in terms of Pretty Little Thing, I tend to get on quite well with their items that aren't like their petite range in terms of the length of them. So I thought I'd give this a go. It's like a nice kind of almost silky feeling shirt dress, and I thought I'd probably get a lot of wear out of this. It'd be really nice to wear with like some chunky boots and kind of like toughen the whole look up a little bit, but you could also wear this for like a smarter occasion. I think it's one of those things that could be dressed up or down really nice and easily. So I'm very excited to try that on and see how it fits. I really hope it does fit nicely, because shirt dresses are definitely something my wardrobe is lacking in, and I actually do really like. So really interested to see how that works out. So this is the black shirt dress. I would say this is the one thing that I'm really not wowed by. I thought this was gonna look a lot nicer than it does. It's not doing much for me, I've got to say. So I don't know, what are your opinions? I personally just don't think it's anything special, and I will be sending it back. Hence why the string is still attached. It's a lovely bit of string. For me, it's not anything amazing. I don't think the cut is particularly great. So yeah, I'm gonna be sending this one back, just in case you wanted to see what it looks like. And the length, this is kind of it. I think if you're a lot taller, it would be a lot shorter, but it might actually be more flattering if you were a taller human being. That is my Pretty Little... I can't even say it. So that is it for me and my Pretty Little Thing haul. I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing something a little bit different. If you do have any brands that you would like to see me test out, then definitely let me know. Like I said, Mango is coming up, and I'm really excited about that, because I really like a lot of their stuff. It's very similar to Zara, which is very much up my street. I think Topshop and Zara right now are like my favourite brands, and most of the clothes that they do I absolutely love. So I think it's very much my vibe, and I definitely didn't have a hard time picking from there. So yeah, I'm really excited for you to see that one when it arrives. The shipping time ain't great, but yeah, that's it from me today. I hope you're all having the best day. I love you all lots, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.